To check your transaction history on East West Bank, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the East West Bank website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the desired account. From the account list, choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. View transaction history. On the account details page, find the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to display a list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, you can filter the transactions by date or type. Some options may also allow you to download your transaction history as a PDF or CSV file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily access your transaction history on East West Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.